egameni lemfelo wethu mangibuka idate Maswati kithi ting 24 kuJuly 2024 24/7 2024 ngixolise umphefumulo wami uba nekusinseka kakhulu inhlitiyo yami ibona abacede namthandeni nabo bonke laba boshelwe ngalokungekho eqinisweni baboshelwa ukuthi ba defender liqiniso leMaswati. My heart is soaked in pain, not because bengakabheki lokho bengubhekile kodwa njengoba kufika ngikubona, my heart is soaked in pain when I think of laba fowethu nalapha laba khona uma ngikhumbule eMaswati lutsaka nekuhlupheka la ngenekiko kulamalanga ima messages nama message la ngenile athi Kawuzela, it's not getting better in this country, instead it's getting worse. Bathi siva buhlungu balaba boshiwe but kude lesinako etibhedlela kunalutho imisebenzi sacetha kufunza nekufunzela sibothishela from 2020 sihleti, but look, it's just getting worse every day. My heart is so soaked in pain. My heart is heavy. Let alone mangicabanga abacede agcoke emfengeni, ngicabanga Mthandeni agcoke emfengeni. Those are honorables. Banlebe banako konke. Imagine a multimillionaire igcoke emfengeni. Imagine MP Mthandeni aphandle kwesono just because lo semagunyeni is proving a point. Uyadadi ukuthi tigebengu tigcwela ngaphandle, but is proving a point ubagcokisa emfengeni. My heart is soaked. Kodwa noma kunjalo, no night has ever been too long such that the sun never rises. This is history in making. What my country is going through is history in making. I consider myself very, very privileged. I consider it an honor to be alive in such a time and be part of those who lead my motherland. Painful as it is, hard to accept as it is, but I consider myself privileged. That's why I'm saying, what a moment to be alive. What a moment to have a role. When the nation is down, soaked in pain, trying to digest ukuthi bacede namthandeni nalabanye bagcoke bomfengeni. When the nation is feeling so bad, what enhlitweni yami ukuthi mabeva buhlungu kanje, they expect me to raise my head and speak to them as if I don't feel the pain. Logo, heavy boots, heavy shoes, heavy cap, as it is, but I consider myself privileged and honored. Ngiyanthanda Maswati kithi, ngiyanthanda bogogo, ngiyanthanda bomkhulu. This battle we shall overcome. This family meeting is a documentation. Let us celebrate tindimbane netindimbane letawuphila. Kuyabe kumnanzi kibo bangeke bathi ukuthi kwakubuhlungu kangakanani. Khathi silethwala lelijoko lebunzima. It is very painful. Don't want to speak about my son Zweli. I don't want to speak about Bomcolis. I don't want to speak about all the freedom fighters. But in Keta Kulum about the two and say, these are historic days. These are days that will truly be celebrated by generations and generations because the cause is noble. Bengisani bingelela. Esigabeni sekufunza live la uNkulunkulu ningilalele kahle Maswati kithi. It will take around 5-6 minutes. La ngidalicala khona live la uNkulunkulu. Bangicolele laba lokhanza ukuthi they don't believe in the Bible at such times. Ngiyathi ukuthi makubuhlungu kakhulu uve ngathi nale ncwadi yabambelela. Bangicolele angibasoli, I know why, but abanga-accommodate ukuthi I'm a man of faith. I have to keep the faith in times like this. God told me to keep the faith. He is worthy. Ngithi ke nyalo, I'm glad we are close to 2,000 now. Ngiyacela ke lokuthi just share the stream. It's a tense meeting today because of la malanga lesikiwo. It may not have the answers you are looking for, but it has the path we need to take. I'm saying it may not have the answers you are looking for, but it has the path we need to take. Ngithi ke ekuqaleni kwekufunda live laNkulunkulu angideclare le clip le ndayibukela la sifunda live laNkulunkulu umpostoli Justice, and angideclare ukuthi he is not live in the studio ngoba badaze bayomekhama bathi ubonakele ufunza live laNkulunkulu emsebentini labe kunamagawu khona. It's not. It is what God planted in him nga-2021 June. Angudeclare lokho. Nganothi kuyasa kusasa ngive bathi uboshiwe Justice. Ngenva la ikhulume namuhla. Angideclare lokuthi ukukhuluma nga-2021. But ngisengihlede moya uncwele moya waNkulunkulu wathi nayi lento lefuna ukuthi uyivise amaswati. It's edited to 5 minutes. Ngiyona ndlela yekufunda live laNkulunkulu. Tinengi tindzaba letinkulu tindzaba lesikito into ekuboshwa kwebahlonishwa. But we need to start somewhere and end up there. Ngicela kuleli thuba leli ukuthi ngakafaki umfundisi. Ngithi Ras, one day you will reap the fruits of the sacrifices lo wendako. Sebendileni wenda emalanga preparing for this family meeting, preparing for a maswati ukuthi afollowishe ngendlela efanele. Salute you Ngokheli. Moloi Thabo, we came a long way. Long way. Back 2010, I've been with you. You have been walking with me every step of the way, together with Thabiso. Salute you, boy. Salute you, comrade. Salute you, son. Thank you for standing strong all the days. This neatness that they see here is not my doing, but it's the doing of the technical team. Niyazabalaza. And I thank you for that. Ngiyabuya ke maswati akithi, ngicela ukuthi nive na live laNkulunkulu nale advice yesikhathi ngishito ngathi umpostoli wayisharisha ngaJune 2021 ningabe seniyombulala namuhla, but I want you to see how faithful God is. Ukhuluma tindlo ngesikhathi kungadi umuntu. Over to you, Ras and Thabo.
Umhlonishwa Mduduzi Magauka uSimelane kanye nemhlonishwa Bacede kanye nemhlonishwa Mthandeni. Labahlonishwa laba bangene eParliament bathunywe sive. Kusho ukuthi lapha eParliament abakayi kuyomelela tisutabo noma kuyomelela inhlupheko dabo, kodwa bayele lapha kuyomelela lemimango lama constituencies, lemimango leyabakhetha. Lokusho ukuthi bona benda umlando lokusina befika eParliament banganesi tisutabo, bangavikeli kumbe tikhundla tabo emehlweni kumbe labathide, kodwa badecide kuphusha nekufeza le mandate lele bayinikwa ngilabantu. Mina nangibuka maybe wena utawusho ukuthi umpostoli uyibambe eceleni, but nangibuka so far tonke lento lebatikhulumile libe batikhuluma lapha eParliament divakala tingumuvo noma tisikhalo noma tisidzingeko salabantu labalemangweni lababathuma kule mimango kuleto tinkhundla letabakhetha ukuthi bayongena eParliament. Lokhu labakwendako nje bona i-advocacy le-biblical ngumkhankaso lowetuswe ngemazulu lesento salamalunga aseParliament lamathathu. Lithi leli verse, speak for those who cannot speak for themselves. Speak for those who cannot speak for themselves. Le line nje lecala khulumela labo labangeke bakhone kutoti khulumela ngalama emagama ngeke bakhone kungena landlini yaseParliament batokhona kusho tindvo leti baphethe kabi. Wena ke losungenile lithi leli verse bakhulumele ngoba sebacele wena ukuthi uyobamela. Le line lesibili lithi ensure justice for those who are being crushed. Lithi qiniseka ukuthi umthetho oqotho noma kuphatheka kahle kuyendeka kulabo labacinzetelekile. Verse 9 uthi yes, Speak up for the poor and the helpless. Khulumela laba lothola ukuthi basesimeni sekweswela, basesimeni setikhanza bangenalusido noma bangalutholi lusido. Bakhulumele nabe kusho ukuthi basesimeni sekweswela kanti akumele beswele, basesimeni sekucinzeteleka kanti akumele bacinzeteleke. Lithi khuluma. Ligcina leli verse ngekuthi see that they get justice. Nyalo ngekulunga kuthi sitawusola amagawugawu, sisole bacede siphokombana, asihambe siyobuka on the ground, on the political landscape of Swaziland, sibuke in the policing of the country, in the governance of the kanti ukuthi bantu bahluthuka kangaka, abantu babangumsindo kangaka, singihulumende silahlaphi, singemaphoyisa silahlaphi, ngimbube emhlaba ngiyinkosi yale live yini la ngilahla khona lengiphambanisa nalabantu ngoba nakuvuka umsindo buka lokuthi ukhozwa yini, usebenzise lokuthiwa i-cause and effect. Go for the cause, don't fight the effect without dealing with the cause. Naku-ke ngifuna kusho mayelana namagawugawu, ndawuconza nje magawugawu. Magawugawu lokhu la kwenda lapha ePhalamende wenta into la ifungela wayethembisa abantu benkundla sesiphofaneni. Kwesibili magawugawu because ungumfundisi wakhela isondo lo muntu wakhela uNkulunkulu ngabo masondo uyashumayela epulpit avulela iBhayibheli ashumayela. Lo Proverbs taga 31:8 yinto vele lebhekekile ukuthi ayende abakhulumele labacinzetelekile, abakhulumele labafakwe ekwesweleni kanti akumele ukuthi beswele ngoba imali yabonakala ikhona kulelive. So ke wonke umuntu otawuthatha magawugawu nabe maphoyisa atawuthatha magawugawu amende esigebengu kanzi wenta into lehambisana nemithetho weBhayibheli. Phinze lo muntu ende magawugawu ahamba yoboshwa njenge-criminal. I am telling you, liBhayibheli liclear. Uma utawutsinza umlo njengamagawugawu lo ngumfundisi lithi touch not my anointed ones, do my prophets no harm. Lokuthi nje magawugawu sonale stembu sekuthi ungumfundisi uhola abantu umelele uNkulunkulu ngeke umphathe noma sikanjani. Kutawuba ngilomnye umlilo lengathi ukuthi utawucishwa ngibani ngoba Jehova uyabamelela abantu labamelele umthetho oqotho. So ngiyacela ukuthi magawugawu angaqali abekwe standard ekuthiwa ubanjwa ngamaphoyisa ayambopha. Emaphoyisa akayibuke ngeliso lelicritical, hulumende ayibukisise leyo ndzaba leyo. Ngishito nangicala magawugawu kangathindwa ngoba wathindwa impela kutawenteka lengingakwadi ukuthi kutawuthiwani.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu umfundisi umpostoli usifunzele Proverbs. I'll try my level best to move smoothly and move forward singadli isikhathi. Ngingakathandazi ke njoba asasifunzele ukuthi lo msebenzi lo wenziwa ngumthandeni nalo wenziwa ngibacede nalo wenziwa ngumagawugawu. Umsebenzi lokugaranti weBhayibheli, lo-commission weBhayibheli. Laba labakholwa Jesu labacabanga ukuthi lesikwenda akusiko. Thank you Apostle. Iclip le ya June bengisanga udeclare bangaze bathi abe live wayikhuluma ngaJune 2021 but uma waNkulunkulu ngitshelile ukuthi ngilonke lokufunekako. Bengidawu kupansela utawubeka on the screen ras ngamaverse lamabili ngakathandazi. Lekucala likuGenesis ngeke ngisawafunda lamaverse in the interest of time. But lekucala likuGenesis. Genesis chapter 15. I think in verse number 13. Tawubeka nje on the screen ngeke ngisafunza. Kuleli verse lekucala la Genesis 15. Lathi nalishonako langa Abrahama wahlelwa buthongo lobukhulu walala asalele wafikelwa luvalo nekwesaba lokukhulu. 13 simakade wathi kuAbrahama yathi ngempela ukuthi situkulwane sakho siyawuba sihambi eveni lekungesilo laso siyawuba sigcili sakulelo live sigcilateke iminyaka lengu400. Message uNkulunkulu layinika Abraham alele. Cala eliverse lesibili leExodus ngalokukhulu ukuphuthuma singanobambelela. Leli Exodus ke nikhumbule le yaminyaka uthe uNkulunkulu makayambula kuAbrahama wathi taba ngu400. Sesi Exodus ya fast forward. Exodus chapter 12 verse 40 na 41. Lithe ma-Israyeli abesahlale eGibhithe iminyaka lengu430. Tonke letive tema-Israyeli taphuma eveni laseGibhithe mhlazana kuhlangana leminyaka lengu430. Close topic. Susaras. uNkulunkulu memetela siphethe ekucaleni utshela Abrahama akakadalwa noma ke usesemncane Isaka noma akakadalwa, one of the two. Uyamtshela ukuthi ngekuhamba kwesikhathi lesitukulwane sakho sitabadigcila eveni lekuhamba sitawuhlala 400 years. Kuhlupheka nokuva kuhlungu kwebantu kuyenteka uNkulunkulu akugaranti. Bekade nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi batawuhamba bathi balandise kudla bagcilateke for 400 years. Abengakathuli ngoba athulile kwakungesikhathi lasisho kungakendeki. Inhlupheko loba kiyo is sometimes guaranteed by God ukuthi fike kwakho kuyethwala. Bebanikwe 400. Fast forward labafunda iBhayibheli ku-Exodus ekugcineni seliyaconclude sebayaphuma bakhishwa nguMoses. Lithi ke iBhayibheli leminyaka yaba ngu430 kanti lekucaleni makasasiveta sambulo uNkulunkulu wathi 400. One question, unemanga yini uNkulunkulu ukuthi athi kuAbrahama kutaba ngu400 bese practically kuba ngu430? That's the question on the verse before I pray, and that is where I want to direct your mind esisingena kulomhlangano. There are many theories, there are around 5 theories alabachaza ukuthi kwendiwa yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu athi 400 kube sekuba ngu430 kube nembathela ya 30. Kube nginesikhathi ngangichaza ukuthi labanye babhali bathini labanye bathini, anginandzaba kangifuni ukuya khona, ngilanze emunye. The theologians athi lo 30 years lo extra wabangwa ukuthi in every prophecy there is a process. Akuthi kungaphuma isiphrofeto bese into tendeka nje, kunalokumele kwentiwe ngulabo bantu ngilese sive. Kuyendeka ke bantu batibambelele bona. Athi lama theologians lo 30 kwaba ngilama Hebrew ngekuthi bambelela etinfeni letinenge, and God had to delay until they do the right thing. Sikhathi sabo sekuphuma sasesifikile mane bona bebangakalungeli. There were things God needed from them but they were too slow. Kwase kungeteka 30 years aloku uNkulunkulu athi tick this box, tick this box, tick this box. Ngithi there are 5 theories lachaza ukuthi why ungeteke 30. Ngachuza ukukhuluma ngayinye nayi lethi maswata kithi utasuke kwendeke liphutha lokuthi uNkulunkulu ayibeke i-deadline yokuthi siphuma nini kulolu dzaka lesifakwa kilo ngomswati wesithathu. Ukhanze ukuthi lizulu selimena ngathi kubese kuba na added time wekuthi kunembiliso le wrong kithi, kunekucabanga kwethu nekungethathi kahle, kunesimo sethu sekungabi decisive enough. Angiphinze, because whatever God wants you to do, there is a role you need to play in becoming decisive in a number of things. So you will find that lizulu sekuyakhanya isibhakabhakeni ukuthi eyibethile baba sekungangani sesifikile isikhathi sekuthi niphume kulesandla, but you also have to tick some boxes spiritually, decisiveness, physically. You need to tick some boxes. Ukhanze ukuthi sidlatandla, ukhanze ukuthi sinembiliso le wrong ngaphakathi kwethu. So ngalamafishane ngithi live la uNkulunkulu yakwa accommodate ukuthi ngalesinye isikhathi siyawutibambelela njengoba sathi ukuthi kusuka eGibhithe ufike eKhanani is a distance of 14 days, but they took 40 years. Decisiveness of the people, indlela yokuthi were they understanding and knowing God and doing things accordingly. Now liBhayibheli lithi wabanika indlela lenze ngendzaba yembiliso lengakalungi.